Hey folks, it's a really weird day today because it looks like this. So I woke myself up this morning at like 5:30 because I wanted to hike up Shell Ridge and get that sunrise that I'd missed the other day. There's lightning and thunder outside. I know that doesn't seem like a big deal. In this part of the country, it so is. It's kind of cool and kind of different, but it's got me all thrown off. Days like these are really tricky for me because I remember growing up in the Central Valley. We lived out in the country, but we lived on this hill, and we would get days like this, maybe not exactly as warm, but mornings where it was raining outside, it's overcast, it just feels so nice. Those are just perfect days to sit inside and like play some video games or read a book or something like that. But I also know that I've got some videos to make and all this stuff that I know that I need to do, so I'm kind of working through that.
See, it's 3D and it's a long, skinny rectangle.
Yeah?
So it's a rectangular prusa.
It would be nice to get out and go for a bike ride or something, or go for a hike, but yeah, maybe not during a thunderstorm. That's probably not the best idea. You kind of feel bad about staying at home, but then you get a weird day like this, and it's kind of like the world telling you it's okay to stay inside. You know, this is good stay inside weather. I don't mind this at all. So my wife spent some time up in Portland, Oregon in college. I expect this kind of behavior out of Portland, not out of California. Oh, look, we got some tomatoes on the vine. So I'm gonna head inside. You make sure that you like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you tomorrow. Till next time, I'm Mr. Lauer, and well, I already finished my coffee.